Good morning, students. GK chapter number 17. Today we are going to talk about our national festivals. Okay, our national festivals. We in India celebrate many festivals. You know that in India we celebrate many festivals, but there are some festivals which are celebrated throughout India with the same spirit and deep feeling. So, but you know that there are some festivals which are celebrated in India with the spirit, okay, with the same spirit and with the deep feeling. These festivals are known as national festivals. Okay, these are Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so now let us talk about some Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so firstly, Republic Day. Every year we celebrate Republic Day on 26th January. You all know that Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January every year. Okay, the main festival is celebrated at Rajpath in New Delhi. You all know that this festival is celebrated where it is celebrated at Rajpath, and it's in New Delhi. The President of India hosts the national flag on this day. Who hosts the national flag on this day? The President. Okay, the President of India, he hosts the national flag on Republic Day. Okay, after this there is a grand parade known as the Republic Day Parade, which starts from the Rashtrapati Bhavan and ends at the India Gate. Okay, on this day, on Republic Day, okay, there is a grand parade which is known as Republic Day Parade also. Okay, this parade starts from Rashtrapati Bhavan and ends at India Gate. Okay, so now Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day on 15th of August every year. We all know that when we celebrate Independence Day on August of 15th. Okay, on this day in 1947, India became free from the British rule. Okay, so in 1947, okay, 15th August 1947, India became free from got the freedom from the British rule. Okay, the main day is celebrated at the Red Fort in Delhi. Okay, so where this Independence Day is celebrated, it is celebrated at the Red Fort, which is in Delhi. The Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag at the Red Fort. So who hosts the national flag at the Red Fort? The